Hey, Russ here. Welcome back to my shop. Today I'm going to do an OTB Thinker moment. And this is really kind of a weird subject of what I'm going to talk about. I talked about this one person that I know, a special friend of mine that does occasional cards, birthday cards, anniversary cards, and sometimes they will actually batch them out and then they give them to somebody and they use them for some kind of special occasion. And so she uses a lot of different types of punches, little small punches to punch out little figurines of maybe stick people or circles and squares and different things like that, triangles, and so they have all these different punches to punch out paper. And for example, one time they had a whole bunch of them that she had bought that were all the same size punch in the same shape, but they were really hard to use. And so what I did is I made a little platform for them with a little lever handle so that they could take whichever one they want, drop it in there, use it, and then that handle would make it easy to actually punch it out. And so they use that all the time, and they really like it. And I've done a couple of things like that. Well, they presented me with a new problem that I thought was really interesting, and it took I thought about it for a day, and that is this particular punch. Now, what makes this punch different is it actually is 3 different designs. It's called a corner punch. And what it actually does is on the corner of your material, it punches a little decorative corner. And you can get any one of 3 designs from this one punch, depending upon which way you put your paper in. So the problem you run across is that you have to put it in, and the corner has to fit in there just exactly so, and you got to get it situated just right. Then with the other hand, then you come in, and when you're sure you got it right, then you punch it down, and hopefully nothing moves when you squeeze it to punch it. Mission impossible, basically. It's a great little punch, but could not master it. And so they asked me to take a look at it and see what I could do. So I think I've come up with a solution that really works pretty good. And all I did is I made this little platform for it. It's in the shape of the body and the button in the bottom plate. So it's the 2 plates, and then what you do is you set this on your table, and then you set this into the shape so that it sets in there. And now you have this little table that you can use. So now you can take your paper and you want to do a corner punch. You can actually sit here, use the table with your fingers to help you reference, get this in place where you want it, and everything's going to stay there because your hand is being referenced off of this flat surface now instead. And all you got to do is take the other hand and push it down and punch it out. And just like that, you get a perfect punch every time, and you can see what you're doing, and you can hold it and do all of that with the little table instead. And when you get the little pieces done, you take it out easily, dump all the pieces out, and put it back, and it's ready to punch again. So obviously they're going to punch it. Every card they punch, that's 4 punches. So if you're doing a set of 10 cards, that's a lot of punches. This makes it so much easier to do just that. So anyway, I'm going to show this to them today. We'll see how much they like it. I haven't put a finish on it. I'll probably just do some boiled linseed oil. But it basically is just 2 pieces of wood, the right distance apart to give me the height I need, and 2 spacers, so that now it's pretty easy. So it was a pretty simple solution for kind of a weird problem that they were having. And actually, I kind of liked it. So I thought I'd share it with you. Sometimes thinking outside the box is different. And so I think they're going to be very happy with it. We'll find out. I want to stop you for stopping by. If you have any comments about this, leave them below. If you have any suggestions or anything that you've done similar to this type of thing for somebody, hey, I'd love to talk about it. So if you like this video, say so. Most importantly, though, come back again, because we're done and we're done. We're going to do a lot more before we're done here. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.